Okay, so here's the deal. I walk into the green room about 15 minutes before the show, make it 90 seconds, and I said, okay, guys, here's the deal. We're going to go through A, B, C, and D. What are you dumping Sharia law? Well, I go to do that, and Candice Komar goes, whoa, we have to do it. It's like really important to me. So I said, okay, we'll let you talk about it. Now, we're going to do this for a couple of minutes because, and Heather and I have argued, and I mean argued about this before. I think this is all... I think this is much to do about nothing. And I know she disagrees with me. But before we argue again, Candice, what is going on in Florida that has conservatives concerned that Sharia law is going to take over the United States of America?
All right. Heather and I were going at it in the green room too, by the way. But,
you're the common
right.
person.
What happened? To me, this is a simple matter. There were two parties that entered into a contract, and as a way of resolving their contractual dispute, they said they were going to a certain type of mediation that was prescribed under Sharia law. When this country, is looking to enforce an agreement that might have been entered under a different type of jurisprudence, we look to see whether it's going to be offensive to our particular standards of jurisprudence and fairness. Was there an opportunity to be heard? And we call that the comity principle. So the court looked at both Florida law and federal law, the U.S. Constitution, and found originally that there was no reason not to enforce this particular law. Now, conservatives got a hold of it and went crazy because they're saying, oh, well, we're now saying that we're going to start following Sharia law. That's not what this is about. This is about, it's almost like when I do a prenuptial case and I say we're going to apply Pennsylvania law regardless of where the parties are going to live. If the parties decide to live in Alaska and Alaska doesn't abide by a certain provision of Pennsylvania law, as long as it doesn't offend the Constitution of Alaska, they're going to enforce the contract.
All right.
And I see it just as that, and I think it's almost a crime the way it has been manipulated and twisted, and it's become a hot button, and it's not really. It's only a contract.
All right, Heather.